This website, HVAC for Beginners, may be found at internet address www.what-is-hvac.com. There are over 500 pages of technical information at this website, and these will be given in an oral presentation in various videos. This video is indeed an introduction to HVAC for Beginners, what is HVAC, and building systems information. Again, the hard copy may be seen at the website www.what-is-hvac.com. HVAC for Beginners speaks to what HVAC and buildings information and how those buildings work. This website or oral presentation is presented as a free information source for all those interested in building construction and detailed information on building systems, theory of operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. There is much information given detailing preventive maintenance of mechanical components. It is intended that this information can be used both as a training tool and as a reference source for all interested, especially for building operators, operations managers, property managers, and tenant service personnel. The information is presented in sections, with each section covering a particular portion of building construction and mechanical electrical system considerations. My permission is given that this HVAC for Beginners website, either orally or the hard copy, may be saved, shared, and used as a free training system for all. Many have found that using this website is a good ongoing reference for both training and systems information. Subjects included in HVAC for Beginners: building maintenance tools, both hand and powered, mechanical engineering terms in common use, facility management personnel required with required qualifications and job descriptions, technical support personnel required with qualifications and job descriptions, administration support personnel with qualifications and job descriptions. Building electrics speaks of power supply to and within a facility. Elevators speaks to the theory of operation and maintenance. Escalators speaks to escalator theory of operation and maintenance. Mechanical components speaks to all the varied equipment and components which may be found in a facility. Air systems speaks to the varied air systems and their theory of operation. Building cooling speaks to the mechanical cooling system and the theory of operation of such. Building heating speaks to the mechanical heating systems and the theory of operation. Plumbing systems speaks to the plumbing systems and their theory of operation. Water treatment speaks to water treatment systems for the heating, cooling systems and the theory of such. Commissioning speaks to the testing of systems after construction and before turnover. Systems maintenance speaks to ongoing maintenance after construction turnover. Fire protection speaks to the theory of operation of fire protection systems, both manual and automatic. Energy conservation speaks to the practical and theory of systems energy conservation. Air balance explains theory and practical application of an air balance of the mechanical systems. Water flow explains the theory and practical application of a water balance in a building. Sound measurement speaks to testing and understanding sound. Heat pump speaks to the theory of operation of heat pumps. The section on building automation speaks to automated controls used in operation of a facility. Laboratory speaks to the theory of operation of laboratory supply and exhaust air systems, including fume hoods. Generator speaks to the theory of operation and maintenance of emergency electrical generators. Other facilities speaks to other safety specialty systems found in buildings. Could be a swimming pool system, a snow melt system, a laundry system. Work safety obviously speaks to working safely. The section on architecture speaks to the various architectural styles that are used when designing a building. Construction terms presents the common jargon of construction and the usual terms used by people working in that field. Hydraulics speaks to the theory of hydraulics. Concrete speaks to the understanding of concrete in building construction. Roof information speaks to the theory of roof construction. Building galvanic speaks to the interaction of specific materials that are used in the construction of a building. Glass in a building speaks to the types of glass and the choices of when to use them. Window considerations speaks to the installation of windows and the different types of windows that are available. Door considerations also speaks to the different types of doors and the considerations of using them in a building. Exterior wall consideration speaks to construction of exterior walls. Interior wall construction obviously speaks to the construction of interior walls. The same is true for ceiling considerations and the section on floor considerations. Thank you. That is the introduction. There will be specific videos on each of these sections presented and put online shortly. Thank you.